Dear teachers and educators, a warm welcome to this video tutorial on the CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program. So as you are aware, the program was officially launched by the Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, on the 5th of February 2025. It is designed to support students from grade 1 to grade 10 in the subjects like English, mathematics, and science. The program aims to ensure smooth transition for students to their new class by reinforcing essential academic skills and foundational knowledge. Meghalaya Class Readiness Program is mandatory for all schools and will be implemented from the 10th of February 2025 onwards. Teachers play a very crucial role in ensuring its success through effective execution in classrooms. This tutorial is created to support and guide you in understanding the program and implementing it effectively. Please watch it carefully from start to finish in order to gain a very clear understanding. Share it with your fellow students, fellow teachers, so that everyone benefits from this resource. Your role is instrumental in making this initiative a success. Wishing you all the very best. Looking forward to your support in ensuring the success of the CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program for our state, Meghalaya. Thank you. Kublai Mithila.
A very warm welcome to the CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program or MCRP orientation. In this video, we will discuss how you can implement the MCRP in your classrooms and schools and what type of support you will be offered. The MCRP is a month-long program which will run at the beginning of the 2025 academic year. As recommended by the NEP 2020 and the NCF 2023, the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, has introduced the MCRP to ensure students acquire the essential and foundational knowledge required for their new class. The program provides engaging activity-based lessons to reinforce key skills, ensuring learning is inclusive and students can connect better with the curriculum and with all of you, their teachers. Let us first understand what the Meghalaya Class Readiness Program is and what it covers. The MCRP is a bridge course for primary, upper primary, and secondary classes at the start of the school year. It is compulsory for all schools to implement this at the beginning of the academic year. It focuses on revisiting critical concepts from previous classes to help students meet their current grade level goals. The program covers English and mathematics for classes 1 to 5 and English, maths, and science for classes 6 to 10. The program will run for 4 weeks in classes 1 to 5, that is from the 10th of Feb till the 7th of March. And in classes 6 to 10, it will run for 3 weeks, that is from 10th of Feb till the 28th of Feb. This program aims to help students who are struggling in building their skills that are required to progress smoothly, and also to help students who are already at grade level to refresh and revise prior concepts. Students will feel ready for school after the vacations and feel reconnected with the school environment and their classroom. The activity packs are linked to critical competencies and learning outcomes, which have been carefully selected and prioritized based on spirality of concepts and some evidences from the SLAS and the NAS. The MCRP includes teacher activity packs with subject-specific activities linked to the learning outcomes from earlier classes. For example, the class 5 teacher activity pack includes activities from classes 2, 3, and 4 and learning outcomes associated to help strengthen the foundational knowledge of students to help ensure that they're able to understand the class 5 concepts. Every week of the program focuses on one or two learning outcomes, starting with simple ones and moving to more complex ones. Hands-on methods like storytelling, games, group discussions, use of real-life examples, and local references to make learning joyful have been used in this program in the activity packs or ebooks. Students are encouraged to work together, allowing teachers to focus on those students who need extra help. There are also assessments that have been incorporated at, and which will be conducted at the end of each week. We will talk more about this soon. Each activity in the activity packs can be conducted over a 35-minute session between Mondays and Thursdays each week. To track the progress of students, assessments will be conducted on every Friday of the week, as mentioned in the ebooks or activity packs. Ensure that you dedicate at least 2 periods per subject in a day for MCRP. You can customize and repeat the activities as per your students' needs for an entire day. Try to cover a minimum of 315 minutes per week for each class, for each subject, for classes 1 to 5, and 350 minutes for each subject for classes 6 to 10. As a teacher, your role is to make learning engaging, while students should actively participate, reflect, and develop their understanding. In each of the activity packs, there are some guiding instructions that you can do before, during, and after an activity. You will get the details of these in the ebooks of the activity packs that will be shared with you. Let's see now the steps that you need to follow in order to access and download the ebooks. You can either directly go to the first link that you see on your screen, or you can go to the Education Department's website, scroll down and click on the Directorate of Educational Research and Training. After the new page opens, click on the CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program below the About Us tab to download the class-wise ebooks. Here's a glimpse of the different class-wise ebooks or the activity packs that you will find. This is what some of the activities from day 1 to day 4 will look like across different subjects. You will get the steps on how to conduct a particular activity along with the associated learning objectives in the ebooks. What you see now is for Friday. This is the assessment day. You will get assessment activities along with their along with the linked learning outcomes. And these are also incorporated in the ebooks at the end of each week. Along with the activities, you've also been provided with a learning level tracker in the book, which you can print or you can draw out in your register to record the learning levels of each of your students at the end of each week when you conduct the assessment. You can pick the appropriate level of each student based on their performance, which will give you a clear picture of which concepts need more attention and your students need more support in. Each tracker is based on the learning outcomes covered throughout that week. For a successful and effective rollout of MCRP, schools will be supported by the state and district authorities. Apart from the Education Department website, you will get the ebooks from WhatsApp groups. For that, please contact your head teacher or your CRP or BRP. For academic implementation support, there will be a tutorial video, FAQ guideline, awareness posters across the department's social media pages like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and an online orientation of head teachers and teachers on how to implement the MCRP in the schools. The department will give you the necessary information and support you throughout this journey. For monitoring and mentoring support, your CRPs and BRPs will support you through regular school visits over the course of the program and monitor classroom practices to ensure that the program is being implemented successfully. Apart from this, we are also providing you with a teacher helpline support for all teachers. You can see the number on your screen. But in case you have any challenges or queries during the implementation of MCRP, you can reach out on our helpline number every Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. over call, text, or WhatsApp, whatever is convenient to you. As you start this exciting journey, please do share the practices that you are doing in your classroom, video lessons, or photographs on the helpline number or on the WhatsApp groups that you will be a part of. It will not only motivate you, but it will also support your peers and motivate your peers. We wish you the very best. And please remember, we are here to support you every step of the way in making your students ready for the next academic year. Thank you very much.